Welcome to our final episode of Nature Finian. And, there's Greta. So the first slideshow thing we have is a huge branch. Remember from the huge branch? There's a leaf from it. We have some more stuff in here. Acorns from my sister posting in multiple episodes. You haven't been able to see that. But really all I can find is it's fun to start with other stuff. Okay. And by the way, we don't have a souvenir for everything, just most things. Like the fallen tree with the flower on it, we don't have a souvenir for, but stuff like that. And yeah, here's the weird ball we found. And yeah, mostly just acorns. Here it is. And yep, another leaf. Okay, that wasn't really a slideshow.